Come to Motek Bondexpo 2024. Do you want to automate a process or a function in your manufacturing company? You will find realizable and affordable components and solutions for production and assembly here. The range of topics at Motek Bondexpo 2024 will focus mainly on the following key areas: connected, smart production components, assembly assistance systems, solutions for easy implementation and commissioning, object recognition and image processing. Profit from more flexibility, more ergonomics, more efficiency, more sustainability, new sales markets. Bring your specific tasks in and come fit for future out. The exhibitors at Motek Bondexpo will once again be supporting you to implement automation technology intelligently and efficiently. October is Motek time. Be smart, be part. The airport right next to the exhibition center enables an efficient visit to this unique trade fair. Profit from automation intelligence for production and assembly at Motek Bondexpo 2024 from the 8th to the 11th of October in Stuttgart, Germany.